everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make siomai. Siomai, the one that you order in a Chinese restaurant, that's a dim sum siomai. So I'm going to show you the simple way and home cook way of making it. Okay, so I am going to incorporate all the ingredients together. I will start with the pork, ground pork. I have washed my hands. Before we do that, I'm gonna wash it again. Okay, so I have here the ground pork. Now, I have my onion. You can use raw onion and chop it finely, but I love my onion actually sauteed because I love bringing out the sweetness of the onion, and it gives a different level of flavor to anything I cook. Like when I cook egg roll or dumpling, I saute them. It's optional. That's just how I do it. Okay, so we're gonna do the onion. Put everything together. The onion is about medium size. And this is the shrimp. I have mushroom. This is optional, but it's good to have. Shredded carrots, green scallions, and finely chopped garlic. Bare hands. Okay, so that's mixed. Now we're gonna put all the spices, additional spices, and the flavor. One, two, three. Garlic powder. This is about half tablespoon. Onion powder. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Okay, I'm going to mix my bare hands. Oops, the black pepper. And black pepper would say about a quarter of a teaspoon or to half a teaspoon. I have mixed all the ingredients, raw ingredients. So before I forget, I am going to boil the water because we're going to steam this. Okay, I have my steamer. So I actually wipe this with a little oil so the siomai won't stick to the steamer. Very lightly, just a touch, just to create a barrier so it won't stick with the pan. Okay, so I'm going to show you closely how to wrap the dim sum siomai. I make a circle like this, and then I put this circle on the middle like that, and then I place 1 tablespoon of filling right here like that, and then I slowly bring it inside in my the circle that I made. And you fold the side like this one here. I'm trying to look. Okay. Uh-oh. Right, sorry. I use too much strength for that. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, circle right here. Filling one tablespoon, just like that. Now, see, you shoot this in a circle. The circle that I made, look at this. You shoot it slowly, bring it down like that, and then, you know, you don't even have to fold it. Or to make it really pretty, you just make folds on the side like that. And this is it. This is bites. Okay, it's not too pretty, but I can make it very pretty if you want to. But this is very time consuming, and this is for just the house. So just like that, okay? It's not complicated. Right. Shoot. 1 tablespoon. Shoot it on the hole slowly. And then go like this.
Fish and shark and whale swim away. Shark and whale and fish swim away.
Sometimes you don't even need to fold it. Just ring it with your finger, like here. You just ring it in there, and it just automatically actually folds on the side too. Okay, so shoot it. Okay, shoot. This is the easiest to wrap dumpling. Okay, and then just on your tongue, and that's it. Alright, now slowly shoot this dumpling here. Okay. If you want to really make it really beautiful, I mean, you can do that. But if you don't mind, because there's more to go, but you exactly, at least I have shown you the easiest way to do it, and also quickest way to make and wrap the dumpling siomai.
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Lollipop. Right, shoot. Okay, see, we go like this, and let's make it beautiful. Oh, while I'm making this, I would like to thank everyone, to all of my subscribers. I'm getting there. I'm so excited. The moment I saw my subscribers, it gives me more motivation to make more video. I said, someone's watching. So, thank you so much. You made me so happy. At least it pays off for my effort and my time. And I love seeing that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I said to myself, just be consistent and put video out there. But it gives me more motivation when I saw that my subscribers are moving forward. So I thank my mom for sharing all my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so this is our siomai. It's ready. Okay, so this has boiled. Now we're gonna put this steam. Let that steam for about 30 minutes. And I will see you guys when it's finished. Alright, it's 27 minutes. And these are cooked, so I don't want it overcook. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna try it. Okay everyone, so our siomai, steamed siomai is cooked already. So here it is. We're gonna try it. I made a sauce. I have a sweet chili sauce. To kick up some spice, I have sriracha. I have fried garlic in here and a little soy sauce. So come on, let's taste it. Okay everyone, so I'm going to taste it. Dip it in my sauce. too big of a bite. That's too big of a bite. So, this is pork with shrimp. One more. Oopsie. It's good, it's filling. Yummy. So good. Thank you everyone for joining me in my channel today. That is our steamed DIMSUM siomai. It's very good, and I'm going to put all the mixed ingredients in the description box below if you want to try it. I also have showed you how to wrap the siomai easy and quick way. Maraming salamat po. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and share it to everyone. If you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on all of my uploaded videos. Maraming salamat po. Stay safe and stay healthy. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.